is improvisation in drama activities. Acting in front of an audience with so many people just makes me feel so confident and happy.
I've loved performing, but I also really enjoy watching the other schools perform.
Honestly, today is just like playing games with your friends.
It's a great day. You are expressing like what you love, what you want to do with a bunch of other people that love it as well.
You can come out of your comfort zone. It makes you more confident in front of an audience.
It's a bit of a surreal feeling, like, wow, I just did that. Like, I can't believe it.
It's an amazing place. You can meet so many nice people.
Everyone is really nice and really helps your journeys. It's just been all positives.
If you get it right, it can be one of the most rewarding feelings.
Just for performing with all my friends, I found it very fun.